channel. Today we are installing something new. Already got this for the car. Yeah, so this is the Invidia R400 for the 12 Plus BRZ FRS and 8.6. So hopefully it fits on my 2020 just fine. I know some exhausts aren't compatible directly with the newer models, but this should be a direct bolt-on. So this is the stainless steel version. Not really a big fan of the titanium tips, so I went with the stainless steel R400. So I'm going to crack this open and we're going to see what's inside. As some of you may know, I have the R400 on the Impreza as well, so I always knew that this is a good balance between the Q300 and N1. So not nearly as loud as the N1, but not as quiet as the Q300. Got our hardware. Hopefully this is everything we need. Got gaskets, stickers, everything included there. Start off, this is our mid pipe. Has a resonator there. So this is like a three-piece exhaust. There's this big mid pipe here, there's one more pipe, and then there's the axle back portion. So, set this aside. Here is the second part right here. Finally, we have the muffler right here. So I'll give you guys a better look. So here's everything laid out. Here is the axle back portion. It's a very, very cool design. I'll unwrap it for you guys. Get a better look. Got the one piece here that goes right after this, and then the mid pipe that goes to the front pipe. So yeah, very well packaged as always. Once again, all the hardware right here. Got all your gaskets, stainless hardware, and of course some stickers. Here you go. This thing is absolutely beautiful. So here it is, the R400 stainless steel. Some big tips. I think these are like 4 inches or something. The muffler is like this twin design thing. Then it goes all the way into this one singular exit. So it's very cool. Always love the Invidia nameplate that gets welded on the center. I love it on the Impreza. So on the 8.6 it should look just as good. Now I know there are some concerns with the hangers and how they align the exhaust. I believe on the driver's side is where it is going to tend to shift upwards, so I'm going to try my best to align it so that it's even with the bumper. But I do have some extended exhaust hangers that hopefully will correct it enough if we run into any issues. Here's just all the pieces together. I mentioned earlier it's a 3-piece sort of setup. I'm likely going to bolt this on to the mid pipe first just so it's easier. It also has the hanger there so it can hang freely. And then we can bolt on the axle back, so it should really be an easy install. You know, this car is fresh off the lot, as they say, and nothing should be stuck or rusted. Actually, this will be the first time I'm jacking up the car, so hopefully it doesn't give us any trouble. But yes, exhaust time. Let's do it. So I'll be honest, this day is like the hottest day ever, so I really just want to get this on, so I probably won't film much of the uninstallation of the stock exhaust. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You got a few bolts to take off, just you know, work your way from the front to the back. So I'll take off the mid pipe first, then I'll try to just take all this off in one unit if I can, because that's probably just the easiest way. So I got it pretty much mounted up. I have to torque everything down, but I think this is what people are talking about with the unequal spacing of the R400. So you can see this driver's, or you can see this passenger side. I think I said driver's side earlier, but see this gap here is a little closer than this. And honestly, from afar, it is actually just pretty noticeable. So hopefully my extended hanger that I have will lower it enough or balance it out enough so that it kind of fits better. We'll see, but as y'all can see, everything is mounted up. Got all the pipes, everything. Just gotta torque it down, but gotta align this first, and hopefully we can get these tips sitting a lot better. So that was a lot easier than I thought it'd be. I actually just used only one of these extended hangers, so this right here, if we come take a look, so this is the stock hanger right here, and back under here, that is the extended hanger, so it looks like it's enough to make it pretty even. There's a left side, right side. From back here, it looks pretty even now, so that was actually way easier than I thought. So yeah, solution to crooked exhaust, in case you have it. One extended hanger right there, I'll link this down below. I actually had a bunch of these because of my Impreza exhaust. I had to use these for mounting them, but yeah, now it actually looks pretty good. Look at that. Alright, everything is now torqued down. Hopefully there's no leaks, and this will be the first start of the Invidia R400 for my 2020 Toyota 86. So hopefully there's no leaks, and hopefully it sounds good. Let's check it out. Actually the tamest exhaust I've ever had. So I'm gonna go check for leaks real quick, but that actually sounds really good. Wow, it's crazy. There it is, warmed up. Of course the exhaust still has to break in and everything, but geez, that is actually the quietest exhaust I've ever had. Though I know it's pretty gnarly when you get on it, so I'm excited to drive the car. But I'm gonna go under the car real quick, check for leaks, and then we can go on some test drives, some sound clips, and go from there. So here's one last look. Now that the flange is all bolted up, here is the spacing between the tips and the bumper. So I'd say they are pretty close, if not almost identical. I'm sure maybe it's slightly off somewhere. Up top, we're looking pretty good as well. So yeah, I know there were some complaints about the alignment of the R400, and yes, I did encounter that, but as you saw, the remedy was pretty simple. So I will link that exhaust hanger down below, and it should honestly be very good. Also, this exhaust was designed for the 12 plus BRZ 86 and FRS, so I know sometimes there's some problems with compatibility with the 2017 plus years, but this fit on no problem. conclude today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. As you can see, super simple install. Everything bolted right up. The only issue we had was aligning the tips, but with the help of an extended exhaust hanger, we were able to fix that pretty easily. So I'll link that down below. I'm not sure if you'll need one or two. I used one, but results may vary depending on the exhaust you get. I mean, not all exhausts are made the same. Yeah, I would have an extended exhaust hanger ready to go in case it's misaligned. That way you can at least have a nicely aligned exhaust and not have it look whack. But yeah, this is not a very loud exhaust by any means. I think it's also because I'm stock everywhere else. But for right now, there's not much drone. It is a nice, mellow, deep tone, not crazy loud, but not super quiet either. I mean, the cold starts aren't even that loud in this car with this exhaust on, so I think we're pretty good there. Of course, I think it's a little too quiet. That's just me though. I've always had loud exhausts. It definitely needs the headers, no doubt. So that will come in the future. Not anytime soon, probably. We'll see. But yeah, definitely very satisfied with the purchase. I'd say if you want like a mature but deep tone that's kind of loud, has potential to be loud, I say this is a good exhaust to get. It definitely makes you hear the car better. It sounds good. Like, I think it sounds pretty good. Definitely very happy with what I purchased here. With that being said, thanks so much for your support. Follow me on Instagram, mo.kgfx. Check out Katana Style, katanastyle.com, and at katana.style on Instagram. Catch you guys next time. Peace.